Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Jaws kitchen cleaner is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning solutions you can bring into your home, tackling everything from greasy stovetops to stubborn sink grime with its powerful, yet biodegradable formula, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a sparkling clean kitchen without harsh chemicals. Number 5. 4-in-1 Silicone Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. Introducing our versatile 4-in-1 cleaning brush set, designed for every nook and cranny. Its specialized shape and silicone brush head ensure a thorough clean for your lids and glass rims, keeping every sip fresh. With a 360-degree rotating head and 3 distinct brush types, this tool tackles diverse cleaning needs. It's perfect for everything from tea cups and milk bottles to intricate kitchen gadgets. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic plastic, this cleaning tool is safe for your family and the environment. Its durable construction guarantees long-lasting effectiveness without any unpleasant odors. Enjoy a comfortable cleaning experience with its ergonomic grip and charming design. It makes the chore of cleaning easier and more pleasant. Small, lightweight, and easy to carry, this gadget is ideal for home, outdoor adventures, or travel. Keep your drinking utensils hygienic wherever you go. What we like. This brush set is designed for intricate cleaning tasks. Its multiple brush heads tackle lids, gaps, and crevices with ease. If you're someone who values a thorough clean for all your drinking vessels, especially those with hard-to-reach areas, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The product is very effective in cleaning grease and grime. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean with a fresh scent. The spray bottle design makes it easy to apply and control. Number 4. Jaws Cleaner Disinfectant Spray with 2 refill pods. Introducing Jaws Cleaner, the powerful multi-purpose cleaning solution designed for your home. It tackles tough messes with ease, making cleaning more efficient. Our innovative system includes 2 refill pods, reducing plastic waste. You can feel good about choosing a product that's both effective and environmentally conscious. Embrace a sustainable cleaning routine with our refillable, reusable, and recyclable design. Simply add water to the reusable bottle and drop in a pod for a fresh, powerful cleaner. This disinfectant spray not only cleans but also disinfects surfaces, leaving your home sparkling and hygienic. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for a healthier living space. Experience the difference of a powerful, eco-friendly cleaner. Get your Jaws Cleaner Disinfectant Spray with 2 refill pods and simplify your cleaning routine. What we like. This cleaner offers powerful disinfection for various surfaces. The refillable pod system makes it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. If you're looking for a reliable disinfectant that reduces plastic waste, this is an excellent option for maintaining a hygienic home. What people say. This cleaner is great for cutting through grease and grime. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean with no streaks. The scent is fresh and not overpowering. Number 3. Jaws Cleaner's Ultimate Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Jaws Cleaner's Ultimate Cleaning Kit, your all-in-one solution for a spotless home. This comprehensive kit tackles every cleaning challenge with ease. From kitchen counters and glass surfaces to showers, granite, and hardwood floors, it handles it all. Achieve a brilliant shine on any surface. Keep your home healthy with its powerful disinfecting properties. It effectively eliminates germs and bacteria, ensuring a safe environment for your family. Never run out of your favorite cleaner with 2 refill pods of each type included. This means you're always prepared for any mess. The kit also comes with high-quality microfiber cloths. Use them to achieve a streak-free finish and protect your surfaces. Experience the convenience of a truly ultimate cleaning kit. It simplifies your routine and delivers exceptional results every time. What we like. This comprehensive kit tackles a wide range of cleaning needs, from kitchens to floors and showers. It comes with everything you need, including microfiber cloths for a streak-free finish. If you want a single solution for all your household cleaning and disinfecting, this kit simplifies your routine. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime. The spray nozzle provides an even mist, making it easy to cover large surfaces. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean with a fresh scent. Number 2. Jaws Glass Cleaner Bottle with 2 refill pods. Meet the revolutionary Jaws glass cleaner. It's designed for a streak-free shine every time. This system is refillable, reducing plastic waste. Simply add water and a pod for a fresh bottle. Our powerful formula tackles dirt and grime with ease. Get sparkling clean surfaces effortlessly. Your purchase comes with 2 convenient refill pods. That's enough for multiple uses. Make the switch to a more sustainable way to clean. It's good for your home and the planet. Enjoy crystal clear windows and mirrors. It leaves no streaks, just pure shine. What we like? Achieve sparkling, streak-free glass surfaces with this specialized cleaner. Its refillable design is both economical and environmentally conscious. If you're particular about the clarity of your windows, mirrors, and glass tables, this is the product to ensure a flawless finish. What people say? This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime. The spray nozzle provides an even and consistent application. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean with a fresh scent. Number 1. Jaws Multi-Surface Kitchen Cleaner. Introducing the Jaws Multi-Surface Kitchen Cleaner, a powerful solution for your kitchen. It tackles grease and grime effectively, leaving surfaces sparkling. This innovative system comes with a reusable bottle and concentrated refill pods. Reduce plastic waste and save money with this eco-friendly choice. Our multi-surface formula is designed to cut through tough messes. You get a superior clean while minimizing your environmental impact. Simply drop a refill pod into the bottle and add water. In seconds, you have a fresh batch of powerful cleaner ready to go. Achieve a spotless kitchen with our effective cleaner. Make a positive choice for the planet with every refill. What we like? This cleaner is formulated to cut through kitchen grease and grime effectively. The refillable pod system makes it a sustainable choice for everyday kitchen messes. If you need a powerful yet eco-friendly solution for your countertops, appliances, and other kitchen surfaces, this is the one to consider. What people say? The spray bottle is designed with a comfortable grip and a nozzle that provides a wide, even spray pattern, ensuring thorough coverage of surfaces. This cleaner effectively tackles grease and grime, leaving kitchen surfaces sparkling clean with minimal scrubbing. The formula is tough on stains but gentle on most kitchen materials, making it safe to use on countertops, stovetops, and sinks without causing damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.